Hey y'all, gonna show y'all how I make my homemade meatloaf. This turned out so bomb, you guys. Okay, so this was served with a side of homemade scalloped potatoes and some buttered Brussels sprouts. It is so good. Those are usually good side options. So I like to use garlic, salt, onion powder, Cajun seasoning, salt and pepper, a little bit of thyme. I like to do it the lazy way sometimes if I don't feel like chopping up vegetables. So you get your frozen bell peppers, red, green, and yellow, and then you have some onions too that are in there. Once you start putting that in with the ground beef, yes, it is freaking cold, okay, on your fingers, like holy shit. Anyway, you're gonna take your egg and you're gonna go ahead and add some ketchup to that and your garlic. I forgot to edit in this part, but I would recommend using oats, just plain old-fashioned oats instead of crackers. You can still use the saltine crackers and it turns out just as good. Well, oats are better. Anyway, so this is how you get it, and you put it in a cute little shape here into a meatloaf, and then you go ahead and bake that, and you're gonna bake that at the temperature of 400 for about an hour. It's like 45 minutes to an hour. You just keep an eye on it. It really just depends size and how long it takes. And anyway, once it starts to look nice and brown, you're gonna put some ketchup on it, and you're gonna go ahead so it can go ahead and have that nice skin. And I separate the fat. I should have used my turkey baster, I just didn't have it, okay? Anyway, so after you get that cooked, you're gonna go ahead, after you put the ketchup on, that's where you broil it until you're happy with what it looks like on the top of the ketchup. Well, for the ketchup. But anyway, there's my homemade scalloped potatoes, y'all, and then there's the meatloaf, and then the Brussels sprouts. And guys, it turned out so good.